Previously on Gerald.
I mean, I guess this is like a kit review. Man, just save all that for the next video. This is about Jeff. You are absolutely right. I am, but eventually, I will talk about this car. Yeah.
But eventually, I will talk about this car.
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 Oh, hey, buddy. What's up? Today, we gonna check this kit out. I have a bad feeling about this. Now, right off the bat, I guess this is like a kit review.
The unexpected kit review.
But right off the bat, I didn't like how it was molded because all your details are all molded together.
Okay, I agree with you on that.
It's like, if it's not a snap tight kit,
Yeah, why would they do that?
why would you mold everything together? I mean,
The nerve.
that takes away from, most of the kit building. So anyway, I'm gonna have to go back and fix that.
Who are you, the Michelin Man?
What? I mean, there's no time limit on this, so
Oh no.
I think I got plenty of time.
30, 20.
And check this out. Under the hood, it's nothing.
Look like a Ford.
Like, why would you do that?
Just kidding.
There's no motor, no nothing. Who does that? Who starts something and don't finish it?
Yeah.
But I got something for that.
Oh,
What you got? This right here. Okay. This is from a Camaro.
ooh.
I know, Dodge, Camaro, don't mix, but let's keep in mind, it's only plastic.
Well,
I mean, right? At least it's not a Ford.
there you go.
I don't have anything against Ford. If it's any Ford people out there, hey, I'm cool with Ford.
Wow.
So anyway, this is one of the wheels that
Ew.
came with it, and
Oh no.
I
You
don't know.
can't use
I
that.
don't too much like this.
You gotta
So,
go with something else.
Yeah, I'll probably change that out. I was thinking about using these drag wheels. I don't know. It would look nice,
that's cool.
but I mean, so you don't have anything between
know.
crap and
Crap?
drag? I mean, come on. I do have some other wheels that I might
Shoot,
go
what
with.
you waiting on? Pull them out.
I had bought these for another kit.
Okay, they got their own box.
And, I don't know. I might use them on this. They look
Put 'em
pretty
up.
nice.
Wait a minute. Oh yeah.
Now, the
Okay.
thing about these
I
wheels,
see you.
they came with some little thin tires. I mean, they look like
Ooh,
rubber bands.
okay.
So I put these thicker tires on it because if you got a muscle car, you're gonna need some meat on the
Yeah, that's
on the
true.
wheels, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you what it looked like with the tires that came with it. It probably don't even look
Little
bad. Rubber band type.
See what you got
wheels.
there.
Hold on,
Okay.
let me just have a little technical difficulties.
Yeah, just gotta put this on
Any
like
time
this.
now?
And, yeah.
Okay,
Ew.
so here we go.
Oh my goodness.
I
Is
told
that
you.
even a tire?
Yeah. I don't know who
Oh,
would use
no.
these. I mean, I guess if you got like a lowrider or something, it might
Nah, I
look
seen
good on-
those on regular
Why would you put
cars.
this on this? That's what they be doing. I don't know, maybe. I would, but I like beefy tires. You know, I like to burn rubber. I like to smoke the
Yeah.
wheels. You know what I'm saying? You can't do that with no rubber bands. I mean,
Uh-huh.
you can, but that's just
No,
the
I
way
kind of like
somebody-
that color too.
I mean,
yeah?
sitting on that white,
Yeah, it is kind of nice, huh?
that gray
I
with
was
that
thinking
white,
about
black, but yeah, that gray is nice.
You talking about wheels and burning
burning rubber and everything.
Yeah.
What kind of engine you gonna put in it?
Oh, okay. I got you.
Right here,
Okay.
a
I
Viper
see you.
V10,
Oh,
baby.
yeah.
That is
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, I
That
saw
is very nice. Charlie from Big Charlie's Model Garage.
Oh yeah, Big Charlie.
He was doing his Charlie Mack build and he used a Viper in his Dodge
Oh
Dart.
yeah, he did, didn't he?
Yeah, so that looked kind of nice in there. So I figured, I might
Yeah,
go
that's
ahead
gonna
and
be nice.
throw it on
What
this.
you got there?
This just a decal set I had ordered.
Ooh, I like those.
See this car right here? It's actually a V10. It's the same car that I want to
Okay,
do.
so you did a little homework.
V10 Challenger. Yeah, I might use these decals. I might not. I don't know.
You gotta
I'm
use
thinking, I'm
those.
thinking of going that way, but who knows?
Whoa, what's that?
Oh, that's just the end of the video.